How to create an account on Acorns. If you want to create an account on Acorns, it's actually quite very simple to do so. First of all, you want to simply make sure to launch the Acorns application here. Once you launch the Acorns app, this is the interface that we will see. All we have to do here is to simply enter the email address that we want to use for our Acorns account. So just make sure to enter them right here. Once you've done that, just tap on the continue button. After you tap the continue button, on the next page it will ask you to create a password. So make sure to go ahead and then do that as well. Once you choose a password for yourself, which is a minimum of 8 characters, 1 upper and lowercase letter, 1 number and 1 special character, tap on the create account button right here. Now agree to the terms and conditions, and after it's done that, you will be able to go ahead and then basically create your Acorns account. This way you will be able to create your Acorns account. I hope this video pretty much helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.